how you can download Yuzu Emulator on your iOS device. Now this also works for Android, so let's just start. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Safari or any other web browser, and what you'll need to do is search for tweakpanzer.com. Now this is the official site right here. Now before I show you guys what to do next, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's start. So if you scroll down a bit after you've just opened tweakmancer.com, you will see Yuzu Emulator iOS right there. Now just tap on download and install it. Now if some of you don't know what Yuzu Emulator is, it is a discontinued free open source emulator of the Nintendo Switch. Now you can use this to play old Nintendo games and have fun. So that is basically it, guys. That is how you install Yuzu Emulator for your iOS device. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.